Hey guys, it's Brittany with Instruqt, and I'm back with another product update. We've got some exciting features to talk about today, so let's dive right in and check them out.
First, we're excited to introduce a new feature, Gated Embeds. This feature allows you to capture leads directly from your marketing materials or documentation by gating an embedded track. To create a gated embed, open the invite editor, select Embedded on my website, and choose the track you wish to gate. You can configure which fields to collect, and we've also added the option to only accept business emails within the form configurator. Boost your lead generation efforts with easier engagement tracking. Awesome! Next up, you can now use special markdown syntax to add important, note, or warning sections to your assignments. Easily highlight crucial information in your assignments, improve clarity and communication with students, and enhance the overall learning experience. We are also excited to share the addition of a new user role. The Instructor role enables you to add users who can share content, create invites, and run sessions without the ability to edit content, allowing you to share and run more workshops without the risk of complications such as duplicates or accidental breaks to tracks. Try out the new Instructor role today and see how it transforms your content sharing and workshop experiences. Finally, we've made some improvements to secret management. No more broken tracks with missing secrets. Users will first need to remove or replace the secret in their tracks to be able to delete it from the workspace secrets. We've also made it much easier to update secrets and see how many or which tracks a secret is used in. The secrets table allows you to scan content quickly and dive into the details when needed. We've got more exciting updates headed your way soon, so like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on all new Instruqt features and news.
See you next time!